चलो फिर चलते हैं जहाँ वो प्यार है आज का सफर हमारी आज का सफर
आज का सफर आज का सफर
একো চিন্তা নকৰিবা মালা মাত্ৰ ডক্টৰৰ পৰামৰ্শ লবলৈ হস্পিটাললৈ কিন্তু নিয়মীয়াকৈ যাবাই
ঠিক আছে বৌ
কিন্তু খৰচ
হস্পিটালত সকলো ঠিকমতেই হয় পঞ্জীয়ন কৰা তেজ প্ৰস্ৰাৱ পৰীক্ষা কৰা সাধাৰণ প্ৰসৱ বা সিজাৰিয়ান অপাৰেশ্যন ঔষধ পাতি আদি সকলো
কিন্তু খৰচ
আৰু এটা কথা কেঁচুৱাৰ জন্ম আৰু তাৰ পাছৰ 2 ৰাতিলৈ মাক আৰু কেঁচুৱাৰ সম্পূৰ্ণ চোৱাচিতা কৰা হয় কেঁচুৱাৰ জন্মৰ পাছত 30 দিনলৈ মাক আৰু কেঁচুৱাৰ বিনামূলীয়া স্বাস্থ্য পৰীক্ষা কৰা হয়
কিন্তু খৰচ
প্ৰসূতিক হস্পিটাললৈ নিয়াৰ পৰা কেঁচুৱালৈ ঘৰলৈ উভতি অহালৈ সকলো বিনামূলীয়া কেঁচুৱাৰ জন্মৰ পাছত হস্পিটালৰ পৰা যোৱাৰ সময়ত মাদাৰ্ছ হৰলিক্স পেকেটেৰে মাক আৰু কেঁচুৱাক আদৰণি এম্বুলেন্সেৰে ঘৰত থৈ অহা হয় চৰকাৰী জননী শিশু সুৰক্ষা কাৰ্যক্ৰম আছে যেতিয়া চান্স কিয় লোৱা
আমি জিকিলো তোমালে হাৰিলা আমি জিকিলো তোমালে হাৰিলা এই মক্ষী এখন বুজিলা কেনেকৈ তোৰ হ'ল মই আগতে দেখিছিলো কিন্তু মই প্ৰথমে ধৰিলো তই বেগাই ধৰা হলে তই হয়তো ধৰিব পাৰিলি তুহে নহলে মইতো নহলে কি কৰিবি ক মই মোৰ দাদাক মাতি দিম সেইটো খুদাই নেৰে ঠিক আছে মাতি দে মই কালৈ ভয় নকৰো মইতো নিজে মোৰ দাদা
আন কাৰোবাৰ ওপৰত কিয় নিৰ্ভৰ কৰে নিজেই সবল হৈ পৰক প্ৰতি সপ্তাহতে মাত্ৰ এটাকৈ নীলা আইৰণ টেবলেট লওক ই আপোনাৰ তেজত আইৰণৰ মাত্ৰা বৃদ্ধি কৰিব আৰু আপোনাক পুৰাদমে শক্তিশালী কৰি তুলিব চৰকাৰী স্কুল আৰু অংগনবাড়ী কেন্দ্ৰত ইয়াক সহজে পোৱা যায় সলিড হগ ইণ্ডিয়া ভাৰত চৰকাৰৰ এটি পদক্ষেপ
Again, it's me Yasmin Madiha in Aaj Ka Safar. A hearty welcome to all of you, my dear lovely viewers. तो फिर चलिए तैयार हो जाइए और हम शुरू करते हैं आज का ये खूबसूरत सफर जो है सिर्फ आप लोगों के लिए
They are walking, but can you gauge it where? It is not on the footpath or on the road for evening or morning walk. Yes, it is in the gym. The Greek term gymnasium was used in ancient Greece to describe a locality for both physical and intellectual education of young men. The later meaning of intellectual education persisted in Greek, German, and other languages to denote a certain type of school providing secondary education, the gymnasium, whereas in English, the meaning of physical education was pertained in the word gym. In ancient times, for the Greeks, physical education was considered as important as cognitive learning. Most Greek gymnasia had libraries that could be utilized after relaxing in the baths. But why a gym is important nowadays, both physically and mentally, from 8 to 80s? Let's know something from chief physical instructor of a gym having modern infrastructure facility, Mr. Prahlad Shankar Bhagavati.
A gym is really important. People should know about this because why gym is very important. Nowadays is a mechanical days, so maximum people are suffering from so many diseases. School students and office people also, they are actually always in tension and they are in on mentally stress also. They are to prevent from disease. So people are used to come to gym and also to release the stress. So people used to come to gym. So gym is very important.
A physical education in schools is one of the most important ways to help fight childhood obesity. Gym class helps keep students active, which can avoid unhealthy weight gains. For this reason, the National Association for Sport and Physical Education recommends that elementary school students have at least 90 minutes of gym per week and almost 4 hours a week for middle and high school students, as well as important for the elders and senior persons for strengthen their manpower and strength their body and muscles. Gym class is not just about being healthy and physically active. Kids who are physically active do better academically than students who are not. This is because physical activity increases the flow of blood to the brain, which may increase growth in the brain's learning and memory center.
Youths are actually very interested for gym, but they are always attracted for gym because school level and college level youth students, they actually they are thinking that they are keeping their fitness, body fitness, and the other one their new concept is they are like that they are for the fitness they are keeping their good outlook also. On the other hand, very important things that if the youth is coming for gym, they are away from the unlawful activities and all. So in addition to for their fitness, they are actually increasing their confidence level and they are actually becoming a dynamic also. So those are the very important things.
A gym class gets students physically active and can keep them fit while they are in school, but it can also have longer lasting effects. A gym class can expose students to healthy activities and sports that they may enjoy for the rest of their lives. A gym class provides an environment where students can develop a variety of skills. According to the National Association for Sports and Physical Education, a gym gives students an opportunity to develop leadership skills and can influence moral development because it requires students to work together. It can build social skills and teamwork abilities. A gym also introduces students to goal setting and can instill self-discipline. One probably did not know it then, but the gym classes took during one's school years influenced the person what he may be. A gym class provides students with physical exercise on a consistent basis. It is particularly important for the physical well-being of children who do not engage in physical activities outside of school. A good physical education class will feature activities that raise the heart rate, increase the pulse rate, and revive metabolism. According to the American Heart Association, gym classes can help in teaching children the skills that can help them to be active in their whole lives. The physical exertion also helps the mind, as children will find they are able to think more clearly and are able to focus better in other classes following a physical education period.
Actually, so many advantages from the gym exercises. It is actually nowadays, you know, this is a computer, totally computer and mechanical age. In mechanical age, school student, college student, so many mental stress for in their reading, and it's office people also for office work. They are actually suffering from some stress. So to release the stress, nowadays office student also, office people or student also use for calm, for their fitness or to release the stress. Then second thing because in recent time in India, so many disease also patient numbers also going to increase in the as per survey of the World Health Organization. Maximum diabetes patient in India, because first step is if cholesterol and sugar level is increased, then it is become automatically diabetic patient. So to reduce the cholesterol and pressure and sugar level, so people should people come for gym, do the air bike exercise like treadmill. So those type of exercise and some freehand exercise, stand stretching, floor stretching exercise, it will reduce the pressure, cholesterol level and sugar level. Then you see the from exercise in the gym, mentally development as well as confidence level will be increased. Then the particular person will be the dynamic. It will increase their personality also. If you are going to compete in any sports, any discipline, the competitors should come to gym. They are increase their strength and stamina level, then and fitness, so they can complete any discipline in the any events in the world. So good sportsmen, they always used to come for their fitness and to increase their stamina level and strength level also. They are not only sportsmen, because you see here cricket, you see cricket level Tendulkar, good sportsmen, cricketer, they used to come for gym for their fitness. And suppose boxer, athletics, and any discipline, indoor and outdoor games, good players who are actually new coming player is in the world. They all players who are competing in the national international level, they always used to come for gym for their fitness. Not only sports, but senior artists also. On the other way, modeling people also, because in fitness, modeling is a competition for their fitness and good outlook.
By my side.
Physical education helps kids strengthen their coordination. A good gym class will provide a variety of activities that increase coordination, such as ball throwing and catching, swinging a bat, aiming a bow and arrow, and maneuvering a racket. Flexibility comes into play with gymnastic activities such as splits, balls, backbends, and walkovers. Such physical skills will help children in athletic pursuits, dance, and in everyday movement. According to the National Association for Sports and Physical Education, the development of physical skills provided by physical education increases the self-esteem of individuals.
Diet is fairly important for who are actually doing exercise, because they are actually depends on the workout. Because actually a fatty person, because he is suffering from obesity, 80%, he has to reduce their fatty foods, like that oily foods and junk food and spicy food. Then he has to take some dynamic diet like that, reduce the fatty food. He has to increase the protein food. He has to take some seasonal foods. Actually, boiled foods are very important.
The physical exertion involved in gym class results in endorphin production in the brain. The endorphins effects allow kids to go to their next classes feeling cheerful, relaxed, and ready to focus on learning new ideas. Some people prefer solitary workouts such as jogging, weightlifting, or using an exercise machine with headphones. Others prefer to exercise with a group of people with whom they can chat before, during, and after workouts. A gym can be an excellent place to meet like-minded people and develop new friendships.
My special message is like that. I request all the people of Assam as well as India people, at least please you devote 1 hour for gym for your fitness, because health is wealth.
I hope you're enjoying your moments with आज का सफर। लेकिन एंजॉयमेंट के साथ साथ हमें फिलहाल इजाजत दीजिए थोड़े टाइम के लिए जाने का, बिकॉज नाउ इट्स टाइम फॉर ए शॉर्ट कमर्शियल ब्रेक।
পাখি মাহেকীয়া বিষয়ে কিবা জানা নেকি? মা মাহেকীয়া কি মোৰো হ'ব?
মাহেকীয়া হ'ল এজনী ছোৱালী ডাঙৰ হোৱা মানে গাভৰু হোৱাৰ প্ৰাকৃতিক চিহ্ন। আৰু আমাৰ ছোৱালী যেতিয়া মাহেকীয়া হ'ব তেতিয়া আমি আশা বাইদেউৰ পৰা কেৱল 6 টকাত 6টা ফ্ৰী ডেজ চেনিটেৰী নেপকিন লৈ আহিম। নমস্কাৰ। ফ্ৰী ডেজ চেনিটেৰী নেপকিন 6 টকাত 6টা। এতিয়া আৰু কিহৰ চিন্তা? বছ মুক্তভাৱে হাঁহি জীয়াই থাকা। সমগ্ৰ দেশতে লাখ লাখ মহিলাই নিজৰ ছোৱালীহঁতক আহিব লগা দিনটোৰ বাবে বৰ মৰমেৰে সাজু কৰি তুলিছে। আপুনি আপোনাৰ ছোৱালীজনীক সাজু কৰিছেনে? সাজু হৈ থাকক, সাজু কৰি ৰাখক।
বাইদেউ,
আপোনাৰ এজনী ধুনীয়া ছোৱালী জন্ম হৈছে।
ধন্যবাদ বাইদেউ। তেতিয়াহ'লে মাক আৰু সন্তানক ঘৰলৈ লৈ যাব পাৰোঁ?
নাই, এতিয়া নিব নোৱাৰিব। প্ৰসৱৰ পাছত 48 ঘণ্টা মাক আৰু কেঁচুৱাক হস্পিটেলত ৰখাটো অতি জৰুৰী। আৰু কেঁচুৱাটি NBCC অৰ্থাৎ নৱজাতক পৰিচৰ্যা কোণত ৰখাটো অতি জৰুৰী।
এই নৱজাতকৰ পৰিচৰ্যা অৰ্থাৎ NBCC নো কি? ইয়াতনো কি কৰা হয়?
এই প্ৰসৱ ৰুমৰ লগতে থকা NBCC নৱজাতকক বহুখিনি যতন লোৱা হয়। প্ৰসৱ ৰুমত পৰিষ্কাৰ পৰিচ্ছন্নতা বজাই ৰাখি সংক্ৰমণ প্ৰতিৰোধ কৰাৰ লগতে ভালদৰে হাত ধোৱাৰো অভ্যাস কৰোৱা হয়। নৱজাতকৰ গৰ্ভকাল 34 সপ্তাহতকৈ কম হ'লে বা ওজন 1800 গ্ৰামতকৈ কম হ'লে বিশেষ যত্ন লোৱা হয়। প্ৰসৱ কোঠাৰ উষ্ণতা বজাই ৰাখিবলৈ উষ্ণতা 25ৰ পৰা 28 ডিগ্ৰী চেলচিয়াছৰ মাজত ৰখাৰ ব্যৱস্থা কৰা হয়। জন্মৰ পাছত শ্বাস-প্ৰশ্বাস ল'ব নোৱাৰিলে বা লোৱাত কষ্ট পালে বিশেষ যত্ন লোৱা হয়। নৱজাতকৰ মাতৃক স্তনপান কৰাবলৈ সহায় কৰা, পৰামৰ্শ আৰু প্ৰয়োজনীয় সুবিধা প্ৰদান কৰা হয়। নৱজাতকৰ যাতে ঠাণ্ডা নালাগে তাৰ বাবে নৱজাতকক ৰেডিয়েণ্ট ৱাৰ্মাৰত ৰখাৰ ব্যৱস্থা কৰা হয়। জন্মৰ সময়ত টিকাকৰণৰ ব্যৱস্থা কৰা আৰু প্ৰয়োজন সাপেক্ষে উন্নত চিকিৎসাৰ বাবে ৰেফাৰেলৰো ব্যৱস্থা কৰা হয়।
হয় নেকি? তেতিয়াহ'লে মোৰ সন্তানটি হস্পিটেলত 48 ঘণ্টাতকৈ বেছি থাকিলেও থাকক।
ঠিকেই। স্বাস্থ্যৱান ভৱিষ্যতৰ বাবে ৰোগমুক্ত শিশু।
फिर से स्वागत है आप सभी का इन आज का सफर। नाउ इट्स टाइम टू सेलिब्रेट सम मोमेंट ऑफ फन एंड अम्यूजमेंट। हमारे आज के सफर को जारी रखने के लिए और बहुत कुछ है, लेकिन आज नहीं, अगले हफ्ते. Till then you can mail or send your ideas and suggestions. You can please note down our address. Our address is
आज का सफर, care of Raish Modi Enterprise, Prague Academy Building, opposite Doordarshan Kendra, Zoo Road, AIDC, Guwahati. Or you can call us at 0361 246 4410, 94350 40627, 94350 67022. And also you can mail us at aajkasafar@gmail.com.
smile, because when you smile, there will be smile and smile, miles and miles. With this nice quotation, this is Yasmin Madiha saying goodbye. Keep smiling and yes, do take care of yourself.
चलो फिर चलते हैं जहाँ वो प्यार है. आज का सफर, हमारी आज का सफर.